We're going to review this folding wooden Adirondack chair set. Packed pretty dense in there. I'm in a lot of different colors. The hardware, like everything's machined real nice. Nice to see some of the pieces already put together. Nice beveling. One of these chairs was about 50 bucks on Amazon. To buy two to get that price. Back comes assembled, which is really good. I like that curve in there. A nice little assembly tool. The real trick, how easy is it to put together? Add this piece to the back. Pilot holes in here where the screws go. 3 A screws. So the screws hit the pilot hole. Run them all the way in. Go until the screws are flush. Like a puzzle, looking for the right pieces to go in. Pretty obvious here. Now I'm looking for this one. Screws go in the side. Closer, it has these little tabs on the side. Hard to see, but I can see it in there. A screws, see the little A? Pretty straightforward. The good diagram. Sometimes you don't get that. I'm gonna keep laying it out like the picture. A screws go in. Put the front feet on. We're gonna need some bolts. C bolts. The bolt in with a washer, another washer here, put it through, put another washer, then the nut. I'll need to hold this side of the head of the screw together with a number 3 Phillips screwdriver, which is the big one. Most common is a number 2. This is a number 3. I suppose if you didn't have a number 3, which a lot of people don't, you could use a flathead. I'll use this little nut driver on the one side and then turn with the Phillips. Get all the way up and then back it off just a little bit. Still moves a little bit. It'll look like something. We'll go to the next step. Leg support and make sure the bevel is in the upward position. The back pivot's on. Use that C screw and put the wrench on it. Turn it with the screwdriver. Until it's tight and back it off just a little. That's the back to the connecting rod. And with the B bolts, they connect into a steel nut in there. To the final stretch with the arms. C bolts and 2 B bolts. So far, no surprises. Add 2 of these C bolts and we'll be able to try it. It does have a fold down feature, which I'm interested to see. Lift it up, push it down, then push it all the way down, and there it is, folded up. So compact. We'll go ahead and lift it up and put it back into place. It's a beach chair. It is absolutely pretty low. Sit down on it. It's pretty sturdy, pretty comfortable. 50 bucks. I'd say I'm happy with it.